Ashley Bundy and I'm in 9th grade.
Hello, I'm Emma Lundquist and I'm in 11th grade.
My name's Jack Smith, I'm in 9th grade.
I use fidget toys sometimes. They really help me focus when I'm doing certain types of homework. If I start to get really distracted, I'll just start using it.
Yeah, sometimes if I can find them in my room, they're fun.
I have a fidget spinner in my room. I also have a pop-it. Those are the two ones that I really use a lot.
Sometimes I use a fidget spinner or a pop-it.
It's like anything that's squish or like just hold in your hand while you focus on something else like reading.
It's just calming because it helps you like focus on something.
It's kind of just relaxing to do a repetitive action over and over again, kind of just like spinning the fidget spinner, popping the pop-it. It just gives a sense of stability.
With like fidget spinners and stuff, a lot of people had them, and with the pop-its, my brother had it, and then I started seeing it more.
In like 5th grade, everyone had one, so I asked my mom to get me one.
Elementary school, there was a lot of like fidget toys going around, and I got a fidget spinner then, and it's really kind of helped me since then. I've used it a lot.
It can be a distraction, but I think it would help people if they need to like calm down in class or just need something to focus on.
They're definitely a distraction in class. Like most kids can say they're not, but they are.